guys, welcome to my channel. I believe that most of you did not see my video on weekly projection on gold. Okay, so I did a projection on gold for this particular weekend, even it include the whole month. So where I'm talking about where I think the market is going to go, and how the monthly candle is going to close. So, and everything is playing out correctly. All right, but the most important thing in the video is that I did a top-down analysis. Okay, so it means that I have showed you whatever I look for when I'm trying to look for direction, or I'm trying to take a trade. So I explained it from the monthly, the reason why I think that the monthly is going to close bullish, why I think that the weekly may close bullish, and why I think that the daily is bearish, and why I think that the 4 hour is bearish. So if you see the video, you understand the thought process, okay, how I do my top-down analysis. So you have to check the video out. All right, so today I'm going to do a recap on the trade that I took today. Okay, today is Tuesday. I should have done Monday. Okay, maybe I'll include what I did on Monday. But today I had two good trades, I took only 2 trades, okay, and we're all good. All right, so let's jump into it. Okay, so if you watch my projection, you understand that I projected that gold is going to go to this 4 hour engulfing and then close below and take this particular daily, a previous day low. Okay, so Tuesday I projected that price will go back into this this engulfing field. Okay, this engulfing field, and then breaks this particular low. Okay, so I expecting this low to break, but it didn't break. All right, so what are my trades? So since I was expecting this, right, 4 hour created an engulfing. You can see 4 hour created an engulfing and it dropped down to this level, right? So on 5 minutes, I took this particular trade. Okay, I took this trade from here. So price came to the 1 hour engulfing. Okay, it came to this 1 hour engulfing, tap into the 1 hour engulfing. Okay, enough on the 5 minutes, it created also an engulfing, a strong one, and then price came back down here to test this imbalance. Okay, but price couldn't break the imbalance. So as I was watching price not being able to break the imbalance, it created a 5 minute engulfing here. Created a 5 minute engulfing. So this 5 minute engulfing became my entry. So I took a buy and then targeted this equal highs. Okay, right, so I was just below this SNLC2 because there's an SNLC2 here. So I have SNLC2. All right, so price tapped into the SNLC2. I didn't sell. Okay, I didn't sell. All right, so that was my first trade. So took it at 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5. Okay, so I took this one, and then I was looking here for on the engulfing. I told you there's a 4 hour engulfing where I wanted to sell. Okay, why was the 4 hour engulfing from? The 4 hour engulfing was formed from touching the 4 hour engulfing field here. Okay, so there's a 4 hour engulfing field here. Price touched it and created an engulfing. Okay, so this is the Bajra kind of engulfing. Okay, it's not, price couldn't close below this particular week, right? So because price didn't close below this particular way, I didn't consider it much as an engulfing, but I use SNR. Okay, now price comes close to that SNR level, does not touch it. You can see we missed that particular SNR. Okay, price missed that SNR, and so we have a miss. So we have SLDT, same level, different time frame. Okay, plus a miss. Okay, so I mark this particular level. Where is the setup? So this is the setup. Okay, so you see you have that SNR with that miss. Okay, so I was looking at it on the 1 hour. All right, so why do I call it SLDT? All right, so this is a 4 hour resistance And when I change to a 1 hour, the resistance stays intact. You see, it's the same resistance. So I call it same level, different time frame. And it was strong because it had miss. Okay, price was missing it. So this is supposed to be my instant entry. But yes, from my experience, I've seen price trade above all those levels, and I don't want a drawdown. So what did I do? I waited because this is a 1 hour resistance. Okay, my formula for SNL. Okay, this is how I take my SNL entry. My formula is this: if I have a 1 hour SNL, I'll wait for 15 minutes to close below it. Okay, so 15 minutes has to touch it and close below it. 150, once 15 minutes closes below it, I want a 5 minute breakout. Okay, so in this situation, even the 15 minutes that close below it gave us a breakout. So we had a 15-minute closing below it and a 15 minutes giving us a breakout. So you can see we have a breakout here, close below this one. So because of that, I mark this engulfing for an entry. Okay, so 15-minute engulfing for an entry. But not just that. Inside the 15-minute engulfing, I look for QM on lower time frame. I think I found a QM on 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Okay, so QM on 1 minute. Sorry, I've gotten code. Okay, so I got a QM on 1 minute, and so this QM is my level. So you see that it was a rectangle because I'm marked engulfing and engulfing field. So this QM will be my entry, and my stop loss will be above this. Normally, this could be my stop loss. Okay, you know, but I'm not a magician. So I put my stop loss to the top. So I targeted this first. This is my first take profit. Okay, this is one of, I think I took this one rather. I took some out here, and this is my final take profit, and I exited. Okay, even though I was expecting price to take this particular low, that's the previous day's low. Okay, but from here I was okay, so I ended the trade. Okay, and didn't trade again. Anyway, so that is it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.